In this video, we'll show you how to report an issue on TikTok. Follow along until the end and let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Then, go to the settings menu by tapping the three line in the top right corner and selecting Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option under the Support and About section. Tap on it, and after a moment, you'll see various categories. For instance, if you are experiencing an issue with the live streaming, tap on Live, followed by Hosting Live. You'll see multiple options. Choose Other Hosting Live issue. If your problem isn't resolved, select No when asked if your issue was fixed, and tap Need More Help. This will allow you to describe your problem and give feedback in the text box provided. Finally, click Submit, and that's how you can report a problem on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.